Unraveling the mystery. What is a terrace reservation? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting and practical phrase that you might come across in the context of dining out or planning an event. Terrace reservation. This term can be particularly useful to know if you enjoy outdoor dining or are planning to host an event in an open-air setting. Let's break down what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. First off, let's dissect the phrase into two parts: terrace and reservation. A terrace refers to an outdoor area adjacent to a building, typically paved, that is often used for dining, relaxing, or hosting events. Terraces are popular features in restaurants, cafes, and hotels, offering guests the opportunity to enjoy their meals or gatherings in an open-air environment. Reservation implies the action of booking or securing a spot ahead of time. When you make a reservation, you are essentially ensuring that you have a designated space at a restaurant, hotel, or event at a specific time. Combining the two, a terrace reservation means booking an outdoor area at a restaurant, cafe, or any venue that has a terrace for dining or hosting an event. This is especially popular during warmer months when people prefer to enjoy the outdoors. Making a terrace reservation has several benefits. Guaranteed seating. By reserving a spot on the terrace, you ensure that you have a guaranteed space, especially during busy times or peak seasons. Atmosphere. Terraces often offer a more relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere, with the added benefit of fresh air and, in some cases, beautiful views. Special occasions. For those planning to celebrate a special occasion, a terrace reservation can add an extra layer of charm and exclusivity to the event. Making a terrace reservation is generally straightforward. 1. Call or visit online. Contact the restaurant or venue either by phone or through their online booking system. 2. Specify your preference. Make sure to explicitly state that you want a table or space on the terrace. 3. Provide details. Share the date, time, and number of people in your party. 4. Confirm any special requests. If you're celebrating a special occasion or have specific needs, mention them during the booking process. We hope this video has shed some light on what a terrace reservation is and how you can make the most of it. Whether you're planning a romantic dinner, a casual meetup with friends, or a special celebration, reserving a spot on a terrace can elevate your experience. Remember, the key is to book in advance to secure the best spot. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and explanations. Happy dining under the open sky!